Back again, we start. We have to texture our house here, that is what we want to do. So that we did last time. So we have to do that materials. We need this brown material. So we go to the house, new, call it brown steel. And that should be principal shader. It should have metallic, so it must be 1. We get here preview, so we see how that looks. It should be brown, so that is such like dark reddish color, such like that, but it is too glossy, so we need here more roughness. And that's nearly that. A little bit higher and a little bit darker. Yeah, with a little shiny on it. The roughness should be finer, I think. Yeah, such like that. Good. Then we see we have here this yellow material that we call in Germany puts. So make a plus, new, give them name puts. Then we take here the principal shader. Then we open up here the node editor, close that with N. Get here the stripes, put them there by hold it left mouse, and then you can take here the UV image editor. So what we need, it is a texture this puts, so we need an input that begins left, that are the texture coordinates, so the computer knows how our mesh looks. Then we need a vector mapping where the texture should come on this object that we have, and then we need the texture itself, so the image texture. So we connect vector with vector, color with base color, and open up here our folder from St.Michell. And there we have this puts material somewhere. I think that is it. You can get them by textures.com. I said it often. So I try here to get the color as the roughness 2 and put them into the displacement, so we have more the 3D effect. Then we get their converter, math converter between the texture and the displacement to handle their strength. So we go to multiply and give them a 0.3. So that material looks halfway better. Good. So we have that. We go here to texture mode, and that we should have on all the other stuff. So that's our base color, so we assign that to the whole object. The important thing is that we now only bring them there by unwrapping where it should. So that means we take here this faces front here, disable all this stuff where it isn't. So that is here, this is all class, and this brown material that we built it before. So the rest is this puts material assign, you unwrap from view. Now we see there and we scale that simply down, and then we have there to put some material. Same we do on the other sides, so 3 to get the side view, and we mark here all that we need to texture with it. So that's that. View, projection from view, and scale down. So we have that, then on the back side there, that is in the way. So take that here. And again from view. The backside we don't need normally because we don't see them later, but if you want, you can make that also. Good. That is that. File, save. We bring that brown stuff there where it should. So there. Best we take that completely and disable the window stuff. I think that goes faster. Yeah. Okay, the brown still there. We take it from view, but here its eagle is a procedural texture, so there it makes no difference. So we take them overall there. So that means we have to mark them here all inside. Now Control Z, your best friend, it's undo. Then we assign the puts there, the brown material there. So then file save, we need this class material. We take here a class name, and we make a simple class shader, no special class, so simply class, done. It's not the right way, I told it you in the other parts that we made together, how to make a better class with a light path and so on. But in this case that should be enough. File save. Good. Then we get that top roof parts there. There is a blue, dark blue. For the window there. So plus new, call it window blue. Here we can take the color, and there is a pipette. You can take that and click there, and then you get this color. You see it appears there. It is a little bit too unshiny, so we get that lighter and with much power. I think that nearly can work a little bit darker. Yeah, that is nearly that, but a little bit more greenish. But that it isn't so easy. I think that one can work really good. So we make the inner part of these windows here bluish. So that means here this part, the front, and the faces between there. And surely that, and the under part there, plus that part, and here the rest. So we have that, so we give them plus this window blue. Now all is blue. So we only have to change that to the other stuff. So that means we give here plus and take here the class material too. And we only need one because we have copied them by Alt D. That means when I change one, all other change with them. That is the good thing when you copy with Alt D. Good, we have that one, and that is with these roof tiles too. Standard roof tile stuff there. So we take here these faces. So look from this side, and you red projection from view, but plus new gives them roof tiles. So there we take the same material as so we go to the house back, puts material, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, go back to the other ones here, roof tiles, X to delete what all is in and nodes, and then Control V to plug in all nodes, and there we take simply the roof tiles. But we've seen they are not round roof tiles, that are edgy ones, so I looked at texture.com, and there you can download them for free. It's more like that stuff there. So I copy this one and bring that in our St.Michell texture folder. Here. Paste. And then we can use them. Where we get it. There it is. Roof tiles assign. You see them there. You only have to scale them up. Such like that. Then we have this side done. The top part we also want to place roof tiles on. So we can take that, complete from the top, view, projection from view, roof tiles, and scale them down. So we have them there, but they are too close, you see that? So this roughness factor we must control by ourselves. So we get a real high roughness. Good. Fine for now. File, save. These are the windows, the whole roof needs these tiles there. So we take the front of the house here. Yeah. And view from view, but it should be plus. And we take here the roof tiles and assign. Then scale down. Yes. Then we look here straight to it, but not from top, because it isn't from the top. So from view, roof tiles assign and scale down. Also look that we hit the same size like the other one there. Then we make it from all sides. View, from view, roof tiles assign, scale down, and we look on the edge so we see which size fits there. I think that one here is the right one. And then we make that with all these sides and stuff, so I must bring that here away. So that one, view, from view, roof tiles assign, look there to see the size. I think that can work. And this one a little bit show up, and from view, roof tiles assign, scale down. That's too much. That is too, yeah. So then the last side is this side here. View, from view, roof tiles assign and scale down. Yeah, good. We have done that. File, save. So what we next have are the windows. Simple ones with only one in the middle and this bluish color. So we can take here one of them, the windows, extrude scale to get the outer frame, scale set, extrude and go back, and then only the middle part is needed. So we can simply take a face, Shift D, bring the face out, scale Y, and extrude that up. So we have this part, then two loops in the middle, and can get this last one out there by extruding. So that is the window, and we need there these materials. So that one should be that bluish material. That here also. And this back part should be glass. So we have that window type. If that is too short or too long, you can handle that easy by simply scaling set or not. Shift D, we place there directly one of them, and we can try to get this whole thing copied. So Shift D, place them there too. Only that background must be glass. Oh, I think that isn't far enough out. So we bring the glass in the background. Good, we done that. The same windows are at the top there, so we can simply take here this middle thing, Shift D, and bring them up till there. Only must reduce the size. Scale and bring them more in front. They are all very deep into, but it is like the original is. A little bit scaling, scale set, think that works. So we can take that and Shift D, bring that to all the other ones there. Then we can take the back faces and say that should be glass, assign. Now we need only the frames. So we can take them there and simply Shift D and place them there. For the moment we make it here in front so we can better control what we do there. Let's look where we are here. So then we simply scale them to fit with the rest there. And then bring it into. And Shift D to place them to the others too. Wow, that was wrong. So Control Z to get back. Good. These windows are into. Here we can take the same like there, but with one difference. Here we need an outer thick part for the down throttle there. So we can Shift D and take that here, bring that more in front. Scale Y, bring them to fit with them, and then we pluck out the last part, bring the glass more to the back. Then we can bring that more down. Here we have to close up, so edge selection, last edge, and simply bring them down to the bottom. So we have the door there. We only have to select them and give them glass material, and that one a little bit deeper. Scale set. Okay. So I think that's it nearly. If I hit save, I must look the candle we need there. But this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. Yeah, only the water pipe there. The rest comes later. But it is with these roof tiles in those windows there. Okay. So make here at the window stuff there. Unwrap from view and roof tiles assign. Yeah. And then simply scale it a little. Grab it a little. And then we have it. You can position them better if you want. Mamma mia. Think you know what I mean. Grab set and scale a little, and then that fits. No problem. So what we have here is we have no puts in here, so there we can select also this frame and unwrap them from view, and then we plug the puts material on it. So we go to side view, unwrap project from view, puts assign. Then we scale them simply down, and then we have it. Good. So think that is good enough. File, save as, new version number 3. We only need this candle thing there. We can get that from our first project. We've done that often. So we open up our first house that we built it in this project. That was house 1. And there we can get this candle thing there. This sink, this pipe, this, you know what I mean. Control C, copy, and bring that to the new project. Control V to plug that in. And then simply positioning, scaling, and ready to take off. So scale that a little, that we think that can work from the size. So I think that can work. So we only have to change here the back end and close that. That is open. I don't know why that is open, but then we must close it. So here I have to close. Then we have here the pipe itself. Can bring them here on the side. I think it can scale up a little. And then only need the less parts there, not this all stuff there. So we can delete them and take here the down part and bring them up to the bottom there. Good, so we have done that. I don't know what that is. Oh, there failed a texture. That is bad, because nobody knows this angle and the size. But we will try our best. actually fuck it. So that's it. I take a quick pre-render. Yeah, nice looking thing. All good. That can be all darker, and you must take more attention for that it floats completely there. Here it is dark inside, that is okay. Here you can place a window, texture of a cafe room or such, and then you have that. We can look if we have some. So add mesh image as plane. We look in our texture folder there. And search for cafe. We have no real good one here. So I'll look in my folder, my texture folder. All is from texture.com, you know that. So there you can find windows from shops and such more. We need some stuff there. I think it can be that one here. You can take each one you want. There are many. You can go to your streets with your handy, make their photo from shop and put it into, but ask the guy, can I take that for my computer? When he say yes, then you do it. Because of the copyrights, you know. The copyrights, yeah. So I don't find it, so I placed there some. Rotate set minus 90 degrees. And then we simply place that into, scale down behind the classes there. Make it first in front, then make the rest there. So bring that in the background, and we need no transparent shader, we need no mix shader and no diffuse shader. We need here an emitting shader. So shader, take emission and plug that into the surface. Then it lights through the class when you render. You see it? It makes it look like a cafe is behind that class there. Good, we done enough for that. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next part. Bye.